Question 4. A randomized experiment was performed to determine whether two fertilizers, A and B, give different yields of tomatoes. A total of 33 tomato plants were grown, 16 using fertilizer A and 17 using fertilizer B. The distributions of the data did not show marked skewness, and there were no outliers in either data set. The results of the experiment are shown below. Which of the following statements best describes the conclusion that could be drawn from this experiment? First thing is we got to determine what kind of test this is. And if you look at all the questions down here, it says there's no statistical evidence of difference in the yields, blah, blah, blah. P is greater than 0.15, or P is between these two numbers, or P is between these two numbers, or P is less than this number, which means we got to find P. All right, it's looking for a p-value. And because it's two different samples, again, two different sample means, and then we're looking for a different yield of tomatoes, this is a two-sided test, so the alternative is going to be not equal to. So what we'll do is we'll go into our calculator. Y'all do this here. We figure out this is a two-sample t-test. So stat tests, and two-sample t-test is 4. And we're going to go to stats because we have the statistics in front of us. And let's enter our data in. So for fertilizer A, 19.54. Its standard deviation 3.68. Sample size of 16. Fertilizer B, 23.39. Its standard deviation 4.93. Sample size of 17. And based off the description, different yields of tomatoes. We're looking for a difference in them, not necessarily if one's greater than the other. So this is a two-tailed. Go to calculate. And you're going to get a p-value of 0.016. Now that we know our p-value, we can basically answer this question. Where does the p fall? And it's going to be between 0.01 and 0.05. So there's evidence of statistically significant difference in the yields between fertilizer A and fertilizer B. So to summarize this, put that in your two-sample t-test, report the p-value, and then it fits in that range right there.